In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post an article on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to share your expertise, insights, or simply your thoughts on a given topic, LinkedIn provides a great platform to reach a professional audience. Let's dive into the process together to make sure your article gets the attention it deserves and reaches your intended audience with ease and professionalism. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn. The simplest way to do this is by typing LinkedIn into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the LinkedIn homepage loads, you'll need to log into your account. You have several options here. You can sign in using either your Google or Microsoft accounts, or you can use your email address and password. Be sure to use the credentials associated with your LinkedIn account so that you can access all your professional information and connections seamlessly. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn may prompt you to verify your account for an added layer of security. This means you'll receive a code sent to your registered phone number. Enter this code in the provided field to complete your login process. This extra step is invaluable, as it ensures your account remains secure and gives you peace of mind when sharing content on the platform. Once you are logged in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn feed, which is the central hub for all your network's activities and updates. From here, look for the option labeled Write an Article. This button is usually found under the Start a Post section, but it might appear slightly different depending on the latest interface updates. Clicking this option will take you directly to LinkedIn's article editor. Now, the LinkedIn article editor is where the magic happens. Your very own workspace for writing and refining your article. You'll want to start by giving your article a compelling title that accurately reflects its content. A good title is key. It grabs attention and sets the expectation for what readers will learn or experience. Additionally, LinkedIn allows you to add a cover image. Choose an image that not only complements your writing but is also visually engaging, as this will be the first thing your audience sees. Next, it's time to craft your article content. This is where you'll bring your thoughts and expertise to life, structuring your paragraphs thoughtfully, ensuring that your article flows smoothly from one idea to the next. Remember, clear and concise writing will captivate and hold reader interest. Once you are satisfied with your article, take a moment to review it for any errors or final tweaks. Finally, the moment of truth, hit the Publish button. This action will make your article live on LinkedIn, sharing your hard work with your connections and beyond. Congratulations! You've now successfully navigated the process of posting an article on LinkedIn. Keep in mind, each article is an opportunity to connect and engage with your professional community. So make it count.